Okay, well, greetings, folks. It's August the 19th here. This is a video back from June that I took out in the back country after the late opening of the North Rim due to heavy snow. Lots of trees across the road. This one I couldn't drive over, so I had to cut it, and this is from an earlier video back in June. As you can see, I got the chainsaw out and I'm wearing a brace. The problem is I'm scheduled in July for abdominal surgery for a large hernia, so that's where I'm wearing a back brace with a belly application. Using the Greenworks Pro 40-volt chainsaw with a 16-inch bar and a new chain, Tacoma, winch, various rigging setups, and that's about it. Actually, I had 2 trees to cut, and as soon as I finished cutting the trees, the Park Service came through, or FAR came through, and was able to drive up through. On my way to Temp Point. So I hope you enjoy this mixed video bag here I got for you.
Hey, it's me. Gonna move you to a safe spot. Hey, it's me. Gonna move you to a safe spot. All right, that is big enough. We'll trim that back. And that is definitely big enough for a Tacoma to fit through. So we'll edit this out and time lapse it or something like that. But just, you know, testing gear. The only way to get good at using this stuff is to practice or at a World War application. I don't know if you want to see testing strength and some of the new stuff like Casey Liddell does with his stuff, but he's heavy into Yankum stuff. That stuff's just recently come out. I'm heavy into Factor 55 stuff, so that stuff's been around forever. It's bomb proof. I really like it, and it's quite expensive, so I'm not just going to throw it away to switch over to Yankum. If I build a second vehicle, then it'll get new stuff, because this stuff will stay with this vehicle. But anyway, that's how it works. So, oh, and the winch pulling power. So I have a dual battery system that interlink together, and if I run the alternator, it charges them both. So you've got a crap load of power. This second pull, I only use the accessory battery because it's getting power from the solar panel, so it's charging as we're pulling. But it's not that big of a log. It's not heavy, and I am snatch block, so that reduces the stress, and it also increases the power of this winch. I'm not saying it's a 2-to-1. It's a 12,000 pound winch, but I'm just saying it gives it a little more pull power. And I'm going to start trimming here. Okay, and in the camera, I have the music playing in the truck lightly. That's so I can hear it when it shuts off, because Tacomas play for 20 minutes, and then the battery shuts off. Alrighty. I'll catch up with you again later.